14. Another 17. Black Hawk ratcheting. We got Piss Nuggets. Got a 12. Boom. Darren and Allie, welcome back. We got 13 here. There we go. Number 9. I'm missing like 3/4 of my 8mm. Found all my 10s, but all my 8s seem. All right, number 9. I'm missing like 3/4. Found all my 10s, but all my 8s seem to be the new 10s. What's up, Ernest? Welcome in. Oh, thank you, Allie. Hope you're having a great morning over there. These short little stubby ones definitely come in handy. Not only are they good for... Ooh, finger hearts, finger hearts. You the best. 13. And I am missing that 14. Oh, that's awesome to hear. Hell yeah.